Well, hello, Professor Miss Barbara, and all the USF staff and people that are going to see this video. My name is Francisco Garcia. I'm taking the ISM Information System Management at USF, Sarasota Manatee, and this is the recording that I created for my Tableau report. This is a report based on data for both sales in the United States for 2018 and 2019 years. So let's go ahead and see the data in Tableau uh, reporting system. So here we have our data. Mm, So here we have the data for both sales in the United States. I created five sheets to view the data. And let's go ahead and take a look at that. Uh, so this is the first sheet that I created based on the profit of sales in the United States. Here we can see a lot of sales in the country. We can see where the bigger the circle is, the more sales and profit uh, are. We can see sales here in the west region. We can also see sales in the north region, the south region. We can see a lot of activity here, and I would like to go ahead and look in more details into this area. So let's go to the next sheet, which shows us here the sales by product in the region. Uh, so let me enlarge this a little bit. We have here the four regions of the United States, which are central, east, south, and west. Like we saw on the map, there were a lot of sales all over. But if we take a look at the south region, we don't have that much sales, uh, and we don't have that much profit. So let's go ahead and take a look into more details on the at the south region. See what's going on. I can clearly see that there are less sales. So let's see what states in the region, in the south region, uh, are this activity not happening, in what states and what department and what items are not selling. So let's go to the next uh, worksheet. Here we see sales in the south. So we are looking at the south region. We can see that there are some high sales here, but we see a lot of lower sales, which are Bertram model, Monaro, and Sarab, and Chaparral. These are very low sales. Um, so let's go to the next worksheet. And here we can see the area where all of these sales are happening. We can see that in this state we have $21 million sales, which is good, but we can also see the red states, which are South Carolina and Mississippi. They have very low sales, which is only 2 million for South Carolina and only 1.5 million for Mississippi, which I think having sales there here, I mean selling, but I mean having the expenses to sell, but we are not selling, so I think probably we can save some money by not having products selling here um, because these are probably because they are we can see next to South Carolina, we can see North Carolina, they have a lot of sales, so we can definitely do something for South Carolina where we are not selling that much. Same here, we are not selling that much. Uh, we can, we here they also, although in Mississippi they have a river, but people are not interested in buying boats there. They have a little bit of access to the ocean, but I guess they are not interested in buying. Uh, People there are not interested in buying boats. So let's go ahead and take a look at the next chart, which is the negative profit bar chart. Here we can see also by state. See, we can see here the state of Florida, which have a lot of access to the ocean. This is where people buy the most boats, where we sell the most. Also in Georgia, you can see the blue bar where is the high selling amount, and also you can see here North Carolina that has blue also, meaning a lot of sales or higher sales. On the other states, those are inland states, we can see that we have lower sales. Um, on in this south region, like I said earlier, the states that I found was the states that I found that were not selling much were South Carolina and Mississippi. Here you can see how jet boats, are not selling at all. This is a total of 27,000 profit, or 28,000. And which is not much. I mean, definitely we can save some money here by not trying to sell products that people are not gonna buy. So now completing the worksheets. Now let's move to the dashboard. Here in the dashboard, we have the entire south region showing. Uh, we can see here the two states. You can single out the state of South Carolina. Uh, we can scroll down here and look at the state of South Carolina, which is not much sales happening. And also we can look at the state of Mississippi. Um, and here for 2018, we can also look at the 2019, which is very low number of sales. 2018 and 2018, these products are just not selling in that in this state. Maybe we can continue to our next to the story section of Tableau. Here we can look at the sales profit by year, which we have the south region selected here. You can see yellow, blue for these products, but for the one that we're not selling in South Carolina and Mississippi, Bertram, these are very low sales. Chaparral is not selling. Continue with the next story. We have the south also with these two models for 2018 and 2019. These underperforming in the south, we have Mississippi. We're not doing much sales, so for 2019, 2018, how about profits in Mississippi. The same, not much sales here. This is for all the both 2018 and 2018, and this is 2019. Oh, sorry, 2018, and this one is 2019. Then, so clearly we can see where exactly where exactly we are losing sales in the state of Mississippi. Here, here you can see the jet boats. What I mentioned earlier in one of the worksheets. That jet boats, was showing very low sales. So for the models that work, Startup and Wellcraft, I have a note here that says jet boats have the lowest sales in Mississippi and South Carolina. If you go to South Carolina here, South Carolina, you can also see that they are having very low sales. Chaparral, Danforth, Startup, and Wellcraft. Similar models. Not selling there either, where people are not interested in buying boats. So definitely we can save some money by not trying to sell products that people are just not going to buy. So that's my report for my Tableau Project 2 for USF Sarasota Manatee. Thank you very much.